morning everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative showing you our brand new collection. It is called Rainforest Retreat. It is bright, it is beautiful, it is bold. You guys have been asking for something more bright and modern for a while, so we have done our very first bright modern kit and I think you're going to like it. I'm going to take you through all the papers first and then through all the extra bits we are releasing. Got a few of them this month. Okay, so this is the first paper. It's called Sanctuary. And that's the B-side. This is Retreat. Beautiful stripes. This one is Wilderness. Really cute fussy cut bits on the back. This one is Canopy. On the back. This one is Leafy. Another cute one. This one's Lush. This one is Daintree. Back. This one is Nature. There you go. So there are all the papers. So it is really beautiful, fun collection. There are 3 dies actually releasing this month. There are these 2 here. This one is called Rainforest Leaves, I think. Yes. And it cuts out these beautiful leaves. And this one here is our Rainforest border one. And you can see it cuts out this gorgeous positive and negative border die. Great for cards, but also this is so good for scrapbooking, and of course all these little bits fall out as well. There is actually a third one which I have to show you. I don't have any others, but I've got one in my kit. This one comes in the kit, and this one is the Rainforest layered flowers, so that one's really cute too. Of course we've got our 6x6 collection pack releasing this month. 2 new washies which are really fun. These are our new creative cuts. Well, they're our vellum creative cuts, but now they're new because they're also self-adhesive, and I'll show you that in a minute on one of the layouts I have made. Our regular creative cuts, of course. Some cute little puppy stickers. They are so much fun. And, oh, there's that die I was hiding. And these are some more new enamel dots, which are beautiful, bright and colourful. I'm going to show you quickly some layouts first, and then I'm going to show you these. These are some other new stickers we're releasing this month. Oh, okay, we also got 2 cut-apart sheets. This is the Rainforest Retreat cut-apart sheet, and this one here, in case you're wondering, our little file folder die has got this little die here. It's not one of our essentials, but it's on the file folder die, which was actually in last year's Advent kit. And this is the mini. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. This is one of the layouts I did, and I did the background with our watercolour markers. You can see here I have, like at the right angle, these are adhesive and they are stuck down on the page. And these ones here, I just ran some glue down the edge of them and bent them up a little bit. So I've got some raised up on foam mounts and glue, and some glued down, stuck down flat because they're self-adhesive. So that is the new vellum creative cuts, and I just love them. Here's another one I did. So these are just really bright, bold, fun layouts. Something different and really lovely. I'm sure you're going to love it. Oh, there's a whole bunch of cards. I'll show you them in a minute. Seen that one already. This is a card here. I just want to show you. This is actually in the magazine, and this is an arrow fold card. And Debbie has actually given you full instructions in the magazine on how to make that. And I want to try and make one, which is why I have this printout. Lots of great opportunities to do travel photos with this collection. And lots of fun tropical rainforest, you know, all your Queensland holidays, your Bali holidays. So try to think travel a little bit when you use this collection. A lot of great just day out on a hike, at the pool. Lots of fun things you can do with it. Oh, I think that one's in Bali. I think I've been there. Lots of waterfalls and lots of things the DTs have done to create beautiful pages with this layout. I think this would also make cute little albums. Holiday pictures, beach pictures, perfect. Okay, so that is the layout. So let me just show you some of the cards. So many cute little fun cards in the magazine. Little froggies. That's that die. How amazing is that? It's one of my favourite new dies. This is the die that comes in your kit. That's the washi tape that's in your kit. This one's in the magazine too. So some really fun cards as well. I'm going to quickly show you some of the other products we have releasing this month as well. We've got new stickers. So these are our new mixed alpha stickers. They come in the pink, the teal, and the black and white. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fonts on there. So little letters. These ones here are little, oh, hang on, focus, a little circle alphabets. And then 2 different tiny fonts, which are great for titles. We also have numbers, so a lot of people are asking for numbers like our alphabets, which are great for cards and ages. So they come in the white, which you can colour in and whatever colour you want, and then of course the black. And we released some new word stickers, I think it was last month, and now we've got these ones releasing as well because they finally got released from hostage situation with the port. Port Adelaide had these for ages. So this one is Believe, and that's in the rose gold. This one is Adventure in the silver. This one is Amazing in the black. And then this one is Perfect, I think. Yeah, Perfect in the rose gold as well. So all these new stickers are releasing this month too. I'm going to quickly show you what's in the kit now if you're going to wait to get a kit. This is everything that's in the kit. Laser cut, which has got some great words. Zoo, Rainforest Fun, Holidays and Day Trip. You've got the 2 washies, your creative cuts, a die, your vellum creative cuts, some very cool of our small glass domes. These are our 8mm glass domes, a nice little wood grain stencil, puffy stickers. We've got the enamel dots. These are just fun little metal caps, an embossing folder, a new embossing folder, the magazine, your cut apart sheet, and of course the paper pack. So absolutely chock-a-block full of value. To get full packets of all this product is really something that we strive to do here at Uniquely Creative, to give you full packets, full value, $80 of RRP in this box just for $49.95. So that is the kit. Hope you enjoy this new release. So many new fun things. You don't have to buy the kit to get the embossing folder. You'll be able to buy the embossing folder, the laser cut, and the stencil online as well if you want to. This will be available in all the stores. We did a post recently of all of our retail stores, so you could pick this stuff up all across the country. And thank you so much for supporting us. It's been a rough year for everyone, and we are just so grateful to make it towards the end of the year and release this beautiful kit for you. So till next time, thanks guys so much. Bye.